Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all very fine. Today we are going to summarize, we are going to comprehend this lesson Tigers. In our previous class we did the reading of the same lesson, but today we are going to comprehend it, we are going to understand it a little more. Now we will be discussing this topic Tigers in points. The first one is tigers are meat-eating animals. My dear students, tigers mostly feed on meat. They wholly and solely feed on meat. They kill other animals and eat their flesh. Okay, they are meat-eating animals. They have beautiful orange coats with black strips on them. If you have ever seen a tiger on TV, particularly on Discovery Channel, you might have noticed that tigers, the outer cover, the fur of the tigers is of orange color, and there are black strips, black lines on that fur. Okay, so this coat here stands for the fur. So these tigers, they have orange color fur and there are black strips, black long lines on that fur. They are the heaviest animals of the cat family. These tigers, they are the heaviest of all the animals of cat family, like lions, leopards, cheetahs. Out of all of them, the tigers are heaviest. They are having the highest weight. They are the heaviest of all. Okay, my dear students? The next point to be discussed is Bengal tigers are mostly found in India, although some of them are found in Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan as well. My dear students, these Bengal tigers, they are sometimes called as Indian tigers because most of their population is found in, their majority population is found in India. Although some of them, it means not as much as there are in India, few of them are found in Bangladesh. You know Bangladesh is the name of a country, Nepal and Bhutan as well. So these Bengal tigers, Indian tigers, they are mostly found in India. Tigers have excellent eyesight and sharp sense of smell. These tigers, their eyesight is very sharp. They can see very clearly. Their visibility is very, very, very good. Awesome, outstanding visibility they have. Outstanding eyesight they are having. And a sharp sense of smell. They can smell things from a far away place. They can smell things very, very clearly. So they have excellent eyesight and sharp sense of smell. Next, they guard and mark the boundaries of their territories with scratch marks on trees and rocks and scent markings. So dear students, these tigers, they protect and mark their boundaries. Like if we live in our homes, we mark our territory, the territory of our homes with fencing, with walls, isn't it? But when a tiger lives in a particular area, in a particular forest, it also marks its boundary. It also marks its boundary that this particular area belongs to me. I can hunt here, I can kill animals here. So how it marks the boundaries? With scratch marks on trees and rocks. It scratches trees, it scratches rocks, so that if any other tiger, if any other outsider tiger goes from that place, it will see that there are marks of other tigers on trees and rocks, so it won't it won't dare to stay in that territory. Okay, and scent markings, these tigers, they leave behind some kind of smell also to inform other tigers that this particular area, this particular territory is mine. Okay. Sometimes when other tigers enter their area, they defend it by fighting fiercely. So if anytime some other tiger tries to enter into the area of a particular tiger or particular tigers, at that time they defend it, they protect their territory by fighting fiercely. They fight very bravely with other tigers so that they can drive them out of their territory. Okay. Next point is, when tigers hunt, they hide themselves in long dry grass. They often creep up behind the prey and attack suddenly. They use their body weight to make their prey fall to the ground. So my dear students, When tigers hunt means when they are chasing an animal for killing the animal, so at that time they hide themselves in long dry grass, because grass is also light orange golden color, so they mix well with the color of the grass, they become invisible in the grass, and they often creep up slowly behind the animal, behind the prey, and attack suddenly. And they use their might. They are very heavy. I told you they are the heaviest of the cat family, so they use their body weight to make their prey fall to the ground. So they we can say they jump onto the prey and make it fall to the ground. When they kill their prey, they drag it into the forest and eat to their full. Later, they hide the remaining food with leaves and branches to enjoy the meal the next day. So when they have killed an animal, when they have killed the prey, they drag it into the forest and eat up to their full, till they are fully satisfied, till their hunger is fully satisfied. And if some food remains there, if some food is leftover food remains there, they don't throw it like that. No, they cleverly hide that remaining food with leaves and branches so that they can come on the next day and enjoy the food. Now the 11th point is, tigers hate the afternoon sun and stay in the shade of caves till the evening. Dear kids, tigers don't like extra sunny, extra hot afternoons. So what they do, they prefer to stay in the shade of their caves till it is evening, till the evening. Okay, afternoons are hotter than evening. So they don't like these extra hot, extra sunny afternoons. So they prefer to stay in the shade of their caves. On summer days, they take baths in rivers or lakes. Like we do on summer days, we take baths twice, thrice a day to quench this heat. Likewise, these tigers, they also take baths in rivers or lakes on summer days when it is extremely hot. They love water and can swim long distances. So tigers are fond of water, they like water, and they can also swim long distances. Okay? Sometimes they have mud baths, as mud helps soak up the heat of the sun and keeps their fur cool. So they don't only take baths in water, sometimes they rub mud all over their body, because mud helps to soak up the heat of the sun and this keeps their fur cool. They rub mud, wet soil, mud. They rub this mud all over their body, all over their fur, and this keeps their fur cool. Now, the 15th point is, female tigers give birth to 3 or 4 babies, cubs, every year. So like human beings give birth to their young ones, they give birth to their babies. Female tigers also give birth to 3 or 4 babies every year. Okay? And these baby tigers, they are known as cubs. They feed on their mother's milk till they are 6 months old. Just like human beings, like humans also feed on mother's milk till they are 6 months old. So likewise, these female tigers, they also feed their babies. They also feed their babies till they are 6 months old. They start eating meat when they are 8 months old. So cubs, baby tigers, they start eating meat when they are how much young? They are 8 months old. Young tigers learn to hunt when they are a year old. So these young tigers, they also hunt at their own. They also learn how to hunt when they are a year old. Till then, their mothers take care of them. Their mothers feed them first with their milk. Then they bring meat for them. And finally, when they are a year old, they themselves learn how to hunt other animals, how to kill other animals for food. Cubs stay with their mothers until the age of 2, and like human beings stay with their parents forever, but here these baby tigers, cubs, they stay with their mothers, they live with their mothers until the age of 2, and when they are 2 years old, then they separate and they part ways, and then they themselves find their food and learn how to survive in the forest. Dear students, due to deforestation and illegal killing of animals, the number of tigers has gone down. You might have noticed that every day there's a long debate on some of the channels, on another channel, about this deforestation. People are ruthlessly cutting down the trees, they are clearing the forest land, and there is illegal killing of animals also. People are hunting animals for one purpose or the other, and due to all these reasons, the number of tigers has reduced a lot. Now the number of tigers has shrunk. Now the government of India has initiated Project Tiger to save these beautiful cats. My dear students, when there is deforestation, when the forests are no longer there, when there are a little number of forests, so the number of tigers has also gone down, because tigers live in forests, they hunt other animals for their survival. Now what the government of India has done, it has initiated Project Tiger. It has initiated a plan, a project, and it is named as Project Tiger. And the main only motive of this project is to save these beautiful cats. If the number of tigers is reducing day by day, they want the number of tigers to increase. Now they want to create such facilities, such environment where tigers can survive. So they have identified different territories, different locations where the trees are not cut down, where there are adequate these security facilities, where there is protection is provided to tigers, where hunting of tigers is not allowed. So all those activities come under this Project Tiger. Corbett National Park and around 48 tiger reserves are included in Project Tiger. Now this Corbett National Park, you know, that it is a national park where there are so many different kinds of animals, so many different kinds of plants, and it has a full security protection provided by the government. No cutting down of trees, no killing of animals, no hunting of animals is allowed there. And almost 48 tiger reserves. Tiger reserves, I told you that specific areas have been identified by the government, specific places, specific areas where so afforestation is done. Government is trying to grow as many trees as they can, and it is trying to provide these protection facilities, safety to the tigers. Now these areas have been identified as safe zones where tigers and other animals can live without the fear of being hunted or without the fear of being killed by human beings for one purpose or the other. Now because of all these initiatives, all these steps, now the world tiger population has gone up. Earlier it was reducing due to deforestation and illegal killing of animals, but now as the government has become more and more active towards the protection of these tigers, now the world population of tigers, world tiger population, it has increased. Like in 2010 it was 3200 tigers, now it is 3890 tigers. So it means around more than 600 tigers have increased in this number. So government is taking steps. We too on our part should take steps. We too should never be in favor of deforestation and illegal killing of animals. So my dear students, this was all about tigers. Hope you have understood the concept. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.